Have you ever wondered why certain sounds make you feel calm, while others energize you? The answer lies in the fascinating intersection of ancient wisdom and modern science. Today we're exploring sound healing, frequencies, and how vibrations can transform your body and mind at a cellular level. Sound isn't just something we hear, it's a physical force that moves through us. Every cell in your body vibrates at its own frequency, and research has shown that sound therapy can significantly reduce stress, anxiety, and even physical pain. Dr. Mitchell Gaynor, an oncologist who pioneered sound healing and cancer treatment, documented how specific frequencies can influence cellular function. A 2016 study found that Tibetan singing bowl meditation reduced tension, anger, and fatigue while increasing spiritual well-being. When we're exposed to specific sound frequencies, our brainwaves begin to synchronize with those patterns, a phenomenon called entrainment. Let's talk about the specific frequencies that promote healing. Delta waves, 0.54 Hz, are associated with deep sleep, healing, and regeneration. Research shows delta wave stimulation enhances immune function and tissue repair. Theta waves, 4.8 Hz, represent the frequency of deep meditation and emotional healing. Alpha waves, 814 Hz, are linked to relaxation and stress reduction. Gamma waves, 30-100 Hz, are connected to higher consciousness and peak mental states. Ancient cultures understood something modern science is now confirming. Specific frequencies carry healing properties. The solfeggio frequencies are ancient tones used in Gregorian chants. 396 Hz, liberation from fear and guilt. 417 Hz, facilitating change and transformation. 528 Hz, the love frequency for DNA repair. 639 Hz, connection and relationships. 741 Hz, awakening intuition. 852 Hz, spiritual awareness. For thousands of years, Eastern medicine has recognized that we're more than just physical bodies, we're energetic beings. The chakra system consists of 7 main energy centers running along the spine, each vibrating at specific frequencies. Root chakra, 396 Hz, grounding and survival. Sacral chakra, 417 Hz, creativity and emotions. Solar plexus, 528 Hz. Personal power, heart chakra, 639 Hz, love and compassion. Throat chakra, 741 Hz, expression and truth. Third eye, 852 Hz, intuition and insight. Crown chakra, 963 Hz, spiritual connection. The meridian system in traditional Chinese medicine identifies 12 primary meridians, energy pathways through which life force or qi flows. Research at Harvard Medical School demonstrated that acupuncture points on meridians produce measurable changes in brain activity. The nadi system in yogic tradition describes subtle energy channels, 72,000 of them according to ancient texts. The 3 main nadis are Ida, lunar, cooling energy, Pingala, solar, activating energy, and Sushumna, central channel, spiritual awakening. The evidence for sound healing continues to grow. Research shows music at 432 Hz significantly reduced anxiety in preoperative patients. Studies found sound meditation reduced blood pressure and improved heart rate variability. Research demonstrated that vibroacoustic therapy reduced symptoms of fibromyalgia by 40%. The National Institutes of Health now recognizes sound therapy as a complementary approach for pain management, stress reduction, and improving quality of life. Sound healing doesn't require expensive equipment. Simply listening to intentionally crafted music with these therapeutic frequencies can begin shifting your energy, balancing your chakras, clearing your meridians, and harmonizing your nadis. I've dedicated my work to creating music specifically designed with these healing frequencies and intentions. Each composition is carefully crafted to support your journey toward balance, wellness, and higher consciousness. You can experience these transformative soundscapes by visiting my website at www.gabigal.com or finding my music on all major streaming platforms, Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, and more. Just search for Gabi Gal. Your body is an instrument. Your cells are listening. What frequency will you tune into today? Visit www.gabigal.com and let the healing begin.